Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you step by step how to choose subtitles in YouTube videos. But before, if you do not subscribe yet, please do subscribe and do not miss any of my videos, and also please like and share the video. Here are 3 simple steps for turning on subtitles or captions in a YouTube video. First, in any video, look for the CC icon in the lower right corner of the screen. CC stands for closed captioning. Just click the icon, and text will appear in the video's original language. Second, once the captions are turned on, you'll be able to tell if they were added by the video's creator or generated automatically by YouTube AI. In the latter case, you can expect a few mistakes. And third, if you're looking for captions in Portuguese or another language besides English, click on the gear icon to access the video settings menu. Click on Subtitles CC, and then Auto Translate to select the language of your choice from the menu provided.